Easy peasy playtime.
Hello friends, I'm your friend Monica and today we are going to make ladybirds. So we'll make the wings. We'll make two small teardrop shapes on either sides of the body with the pointy end facing away from the body. And then the legs. Color the head of the ladybird. Now add dots on the wings. Let's make another ladybird. First, we'll make the head and the wings. Also add the antennaes. Continue making the other wing. Color the inside body of the ladybird. Also the head. Add dots on the wings. Let's make the third ladybird. Add the head, antennaes and the wings. Look how cute it looks. Add the dots on the wings. Now for the fourth one. Add the head. Color it. Add the antennaes and the wings. Color the inside body. I'm coloring it neatly. Add the dots on the wings. Now we'll color it. Using the red color to color the ladybird. I'm coloring the wings. Ladybirds are usually red. Do it neatly and cleanly. Add definitions to it. Now we'll color the second one. Look how small the ladybird is. Now the third one, we'll color it. Wow, the fourth one. Color it nicely. All the ladybirds are ready. Like, share and subscribe for more. Bye bye.